I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish fertilizer, easy method. Start by chopping fish scraps, layering them with dry leaves or sawdust, and placing in a breathable bin. Keep the mix as damp as a wrung-out sponge and turn it every few days to add oxygen. After several weeks, the material will darken and smell earthy, indicating it is ready to use on garden beds and potted plants. Measure ingredients by volume and begin with a dry carbon base, then add fish scraps in thinner layers to avoid clumping. Mix each layer lightly so air moves through the pile, and sprinkle a handful of garden soil to introduce microbes. Turn the pile every 3 to 5 days, monitoring smell and moisture, and adjust carbon or water if it becomes too wet or malodorous to keep the process steady and safe for your garden. Allow the mixture to cure until it resembles dark, crumbly compost with no fishy smell, which typically takes a few weeks depending on temperature. Sift or break up large pieces, then apply a thin layer around plants or mix into potting soil at about 1 to 2 cups per plant for established garden beds. Avoid direct contact with delicate roots and water in after application to help nutrients reach the root zone and encourage steady plant uptake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.